koutou. Ko Talia ia. She is Talia.
And more Aotearoa Winton School. Ko Arlia ia. She is Arlia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 29th of February.
Let's start the week with Tidy Class Awards for week 4. A pizza drum roll, please.
For room 11, 12 and 13, congratulations and keep up the good work, koutou. I can smell barbecue chicken pizza.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is aha, which is te reo for what.
As in, he aha tenei. What is this?
Pene rakau.
Ka pai ihoa, it is a pencil.
Aha, which is te reo for what.
Let's talk about heat-ups, koutou.
1. You gotta have your heat up named with your room number clearly marked.
And 2. You have got to have it in the class heat-up tray before school starts at 9 o'clock.
Named and in the heat up tray, koutou. Kia ora.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12:30 until 3:30.
And protection is required from 10:30 until 5 o'clock. Keep your hands off the UV index arrow, koutou. Kia ora.
High-vis vest. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack because of an injury or sprain, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Ka pai. And a reminder that those sandpit toys go back into the sandpit and the tyres go back into the pit too. Kia ora.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.